Start. First and foremost, it is pertinent to note, that this court in its judgment in Sayyid Abdul Qadir's case recognized, that the issue of recovery revolved on the action being iniquitous stop, dealing with the subject of the action being iniquitous stop. It was sought to be concluded, that when the excess unauthorized payment is detected within a short period of time, it would be open for the employer to recover the same stop. Conversely, if the payment had been made for a long duration of time, it would be iniquitous to make any recovery stop interference, because an action is iniquitous, must really be perceived as, interference, because the action is arbitrary stop. All arbitrary actions are truly, actions in violation of Article 14 of the Constitution of India stop. The logic of the action in the instant situation, is iniquitous, or arbitrary, or violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India, because it would be almost impossible for an employee to bear the financial burden, of a refund of payment received wrongfully for a long span of time stop. It is apparent, that a government employee is primarily dependent on his wages, and if a deduction is to be made from his or her wages, it should not be a deduction which would make it difficult for the employee to provide for the needs of his family stop. Besides food, clothing and shelter, an employee has to cater, not only to the education needs of those dependent upon him, but also their medical requirements, and a variety of sundry expenses stop. Based on the above consideration, we are of the view, that if the mistake of making a wrongful payment is detected within 5 years, it would be open to the employer to recover the same stop. However, if the payment is made for a period in excess of 5 years, even though it would be open to the employer to correct the mistake, it would be extremely iniquitous and arbitrary to seek a refund of the payments mistakenly made to the employee stop. In this context, reference may also be made to the decision rendered by this court in Shambabu Verma versus Union of India SCC 521, wherein this court observed as under: we have held that the petitioners were entitled only in terms of the recommendations of the Third Pay Commission with effect from January 1, 1973 stop. Accordingly, we direct that no steps should be taken to recover or to adjust any excess amount paid to the petitioners due to the fault of the respondents, the petitioners being in no way responsible for the same stop.